Nobody believed Jake when he said someone was living in his attic. Every night, at exactly 3:17 a.m., he heard footsteps above his bedroom. His parents checked. Nothing. The police checked. Nothing. One night, Jake decided to stay awake. At 3:17 a.m., the footsteps started again. Slow, heavy, walking directly above him. He grabbed his phone and climbed into the attic. The space was empty. No furniture, no boxes, no person. Then, his phone buzzed. It was a text from his mom. "Jake, where are you?" Confused, he replied, "I'm in the attic." 3 dots appeared. Then a message. "Jake, you're standing right behind me." The photo she sent showed her sitting downstairs, and in the dark hallway behind her was someone watching. If you saw this, would you check your attic tonight?